Hi everyone, long time no see. I have a package and let's open it up. So let's do it quick. Okay. Yes. Okay. It's a multimeter with a radio. When I saw it, I knew I have to get it. It's big, it's bulky. Look at it. So let's have this bead. Yes. And it has a USB cable for power. And let's open it up. Just a micro USB. DC 5 volts. And we need to plug it here. And we need to find how to turn it on. Oh, here's the buttons. Look at this. Big numbers. And we need to plug it in like here. First remove the caps. So common is here and voltage is here. It's very easy. Yeah, you have to press it harder. Like that. And it has different modes. Okay. It's also charging, so there's probably a battery. So I don't have any batteries to measure, but okay, I have to read the instruction, but also a Bluetooth speaker, so I connect it to computer and can
It's close.
yeah. And while you can listen to the music, you can also measure voltages. I have this STM board here, and if we measure first and last one, it should yeah, now it's working. Okay, that's it. Thanks and bye.